Hi students, welcome to Health and Physical Education class. Today we are going to learn Unit 2 Sports and Nutrition. Our topic is a healthy weight from eating for weight control. First, let us learn about meaning of healthy weight. According to National Institute of Health, a healthy weight is considered to be the one that is between 19 and 25. The National Institute of Health is saying if you are maintaining your weight in between the BMI score 19 and 25, you will be considered as a healthy weight person. The second point is a healthy weight is that weight which lowers an individual's risk for various health problems such as heart diseases, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. That means we have to maintain such healthy weight which lowers the risk of various health problems. Then only our weight will be considered as a healthy body weight. Methods to calculate healthy weight. There are two methods. One is height and weight chart. Second one is body mass index chart, that is called BMI. There is a note for you. Height and weight chart tell us about healthy body weight. Through this height and weight chart we will learn about healthy body weight only. But at the same time, through BMI, we will learn about whether one has healthy body weight or not. We are maintaining our weight as healthy body weight or not. That we can find out through BMI. First one is height and weight chart. Chart of height and weight contains height in centimeters, feet and inches. Weight in kilograms as low, medium and maximum weights for both male and female. You can see a picture here. Here the height is given in feet and inches. The weight is given in two categories. One is in pounds, another one is in kilograms. So for both male and female separate. But at the same time in our book, if you come to our 12th class book, there the height in centimeters. You can find out the height in centimeters. The weight in kilograms in three categories: low, medium and maximum category for both male and female. I have given a small example here. For example, male chart. If the male height is 170 centimeter, then if the man is maintaining his weight 58 to 62.1 kg mean he will be considered as a low weight person. If his weight is 60.7 to 66.6 means he will be considered as a medium weight person. And if the weight is 64.4 to 73 mean he will be considered as a maximum weight person. If it is going beyond that, the person will be going under obesity. Like that, the female chart, the height is 160 centimeter. The particular female, the low weight is 47.6 to 51.2. The medium weight is 49.9 to 55.5 kg. Maximum weight is 53.5 to 60.7 kilograms. So these are all the female chart. Like that, each and every height, 160 centimeter, 162 centimeter, 164 centimeter, like that the different measurements are given in the height and weight chart. So we can go through that and learn it. And the second one is body mass index, BMI. BMI is very familiar to all. BMI formula is weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. So BMI classification. The BMI score, if the BMI score is less than 18.5, then you will be considered as a underweight person. If it is going 18.5 to 24.9, then you will be considered as a normal weight person. This measurement is very important for us. And if it is going 25 to 29.9 kilogram, the score, then you will be considered as a overweight person. Obesity above 30. In obesity there are three classes: 30 to 34.9 class 1 obesity, and class 2 obesity 35 to 39.9, and the class 3 obesity is above 40. Above 40 is very, very dangerous. And the BMI may be not suitable for the age 1 to 10. The small children, it may be not suitable. It may be not suitable for the high class athletes. For example, one shot put thrower, his weight is very high. weight is very high, but at the same time he has very good health, so he will be coming under sometime obesity category, but he is a healthy person. That you have to keep in mind. This body mass index may be for the normal people, not for the sports person. Height in meter. Here I have given a small example. Height in meter 1.80, weight in kilogram 75. But what is the BMI score? According to this formula, the BMI score will be 23.15. So this 23.15 means the person will be considered as a normal weight person. He will be coming in this category. The another topic is methods to control healthy weight. This is the very important 5-mark question from this chapter. There are 14 points. There are 14 points given in this methods to control healthy weight. The first point is set an appropriate goal. So what we have to do in this? Set an appropriate goal. First, the person want to increase the weight or decrease the weight, he has to set an appropriate goal, but the goal should be achievable. And for example, if you want to lose your weight and you have to take a pledge, at least 1 kg I will reduce in 1 month. That should be the pledge, so that the goal is proper, then you can achieve it very easily. Then second one is lay stress on health, not on weight. For us, health is very important. So what we have to do, we have to give importance to health than our appearance. So what we have to do, try to maintain BMI range in between 18.5 to 24.9. So that can be our very good idea to maintain our healthy body weight. And cut your calories. So what we have to do, it is a very easy method to follow. For example, if you cut one day 100 calories in your food, so that will be with the very easy method to reduce your body weight. And the fourth one is active lifestyle. Active lifestyle, it is the best way. What you have to do, we have to walk instead of going by bike or car, and we can use staircase instead of elevators and all, and we can daily play outdoor games, and these are all the very good example for active lifestyle. So we have to be always active in our everyday routine, so that we can maintain our healthy body weight. And the bring out support is another one important point. What we can do, we have to share our ideas about, see, you want to increase the body weight or decrease the body weight, you can share about your view to or your intention to your close friends. So what we can get, sometime you can get a support. Your friend will say that I will also come with you to the gym, so that you will get a very good partner. So with a partner, you have to give a promise that I will regularly follow the schedule, so that you can go through that and bring out support. So that will be very useful for you to maintain your healthy body weight. Then the sixth one is yogic exercise. Yogic exercise, in the yoga, pranayama and yogic asanas are there, very important to control your body weight. How, so when you perform the meditation and all, what will happen, you can decrease the tension. Always you have to keep in your mind that the tension will increase your body weight. So you want to decrease the body weight, you have to avoid tension in your life. So the meditation will be the very good medicine for it. And the seventh one is avoid fatty foods. Avoid fatty foods. What we have to do, you have to avoid taking extra calories. So whenever you take extra calories, it will increase your body weight only. It will be converted into fat and all, and it will be increasing your body weight. So you always, what you have to do, you have to try to avoid the fatty foods. That will be a very good benefit for you. And avoid junk and fast food. And some junk foods are there, junk food and fast food, we like to eat all these things, but you can have it monthly once or monthly twice, but not regular. For example, this pizza, burger, chips, cookies, pastry, chocolate and all, don't take it regular. If you take it regular, and it will definitely increase your body weight, and the calories will be very high in all these food items. And avoid overeating. And whenever you eat, and you have to keep in your mind that I will eat for my sufficient health. You have to keep your health or your weight in your mind, and eat food. And one day, for example, you are taking 2000 calories one day, and if you take 2100 calories one day, that will, that extra 100 calories will definitely stored as a fat in your body, so it will definitely increase your body weight in the future. So when you eat food, you have to avoid overeating. And the 10th point is, don't eat smaller meal frequently. Some people in between, they will keep on eating something, but they will eat very small amount, but many times they will eat. That is also not good to maintain your healthy body weight. So you have to eat in a time and the proper balanced diet in the proper quantity. That will be helping you to maintain your healthy body weight. And the 11th point is, avoid rich carbohydrate food. Carbohydrate is obviously very important for our body. So it is providing energy and all, we know it, but you have to take it in a proper quantity. For example, sugar, rice, potatoes, the sweet items, chocolates and all having carbohydrate in high amount. So you can have it, but in a proper amount. If you take it in a high amount, for example rice and all, and definitely it will increase your body weight. And don't skip meals. And many people think that if I skip my meal for one time or two time, I can reduce my body weight. But what will happen? It will happen opposite. So what the person will do, the next time when he has his meal, and he will eat excessive amount of meal. So the next time when you eat, you will eat more. So that will increase your appetite. That means the hungriness will be increasing, so that you will eat extra food. So what will happen? Automatically the calories increasing, and you cannot get proper result maintaining the healthy body weight. So always don't skip meals. And the 13th point is, regular exercise or physical activity. That is a very, very important thing. And you get sick or any problem, sickness or anything, you go to doctor, the doctor will tell you regular exercise. And you want to reduce the body weight, the doctor will tell you you have to go for regular exercise. Regular exercise or physical activity is very important. So when you do it, what will happen? Your body health can be maintained, and the energy will be maintained in your body, and it will definitely control your extra calories, so that you can have very good body weight. Minimum one day, minimum 30 minutes exercise you have to perform. That will be very good for your lifestyle. And the 14th one is, balance in the intake of calories and expenditure of calories. So whenever you eat, always try to balance your intake and the expenditure of calories. Try not to eat more than your daily requirement. One day, how much food you require. If you have performed exercise, you can eat little more. But if you have not done any activity the particular day, please try to reduce the food that day, the particular day, and control yourself while eating in any other functions or holidays or any time where you are attending any function and all, and when you are seeing delicious food, and you try to control yourself and don't eat over it. That is very important. And they have given 3 small points, the important points when you are intake of calories, you have to keep in your mind. I will read it. When you take more calories than you require to do your daily activities, your body stores the extra calories, and as a result of this, you gain weight. Whenever you take extra calories, definitely what will happen? It will increase your body weight. You will gain weight. And when you take less number of calories than your expenditure of calories, you lose weight. When you take less amount of calories, it will help you to lose weight. But when your intake and expenditure of calories remain same, your body weight also remain same, and you want to maintain the present body weight continuously. And what you have to do? You have to take the normal amount of food, the calories, so that you can maintain your body health. Healthy, it's not a goal, it's a way of living. Thank you.